In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view completed tasks in Asana. Asana is a great tool for project management, and one of its useful features is the ability to track tasks and mark them as complete. Knowing how to access these completed tasks can help you in keeping track of what has been accomplished and perhaps what still needs a little more follow-up. So, let's walk through this simple process, step by step. To begin, you'll need to head over to the Asana website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or simply search for Asana in your search engine. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice the Login button prominently displayed in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that and you'll be ready to proceed to the next step. Asana offers several ways to log in, but for this tutorial, we'll use the Continue with Google option. This is often the fastest method if you have a Google account linked. Click on Continue with Google and you'll see a prompt asking you to choose your account. Select the appropriate account you use for your Asana workspace and you should be directed to your Asana dashboard. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your specific project. On the left panel of your dashboard, you'll usually find a list of your recent or favorite projects. Click on the project that you're interested in reviewing, and this will bring you to the main project view where all the related tasks are displayed. It's a good idea to become familiar with this panel because it is your main hub for accessing different parts of your projects. Once you're inside your project view, look towards the right side of your screen for the Filter button. It might be a small button, but it's a powerful feature for organizing your tasks. Click on this button and a drop-down menu will appear with a variety of filtering options. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Completed Tasks. This specific filter will adjust your view to only show tasks that have been marked as completed within that project. It's worth noting that these filters are not permanent changes. They allow for temporary sorting that you can switch at any time. Viewing your completed tasks like this in Asana can provide valuable insight into your workflow and progress. It's also a perfect way to make sure that all finished tasks have been properly recorded and nothing has been left unchecked. Use this feature to help ensure your team's productivity and track all accomplishments effectively. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward way to view completed tasks in Asana. Whether you're managing a team or tackling projects on your own, having this ability at your fingertips can certainly enhance your project management experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful in your daily Asana use.